I try to teach through my opinions, through my speeches, how wrong it is to judge people on the basis of what they look like.
Ruth Bader Ginsburg, in her own words, from her written work on discrimination. The trailblazing Supreme Court Justice died September 18th at the age of 87 after a distinguished career on the bench. 3 months earlier, the well-known violinist, conductor, and Juilliard School senior professor Lewis Kaplan asked Ginsburg to participate in this opening video for a virtual version of the Bach Virtuosi Festival he founded 5 years ago called Brotherhood, Sisterhood, a project about humanity, equity, love, and kindness.
People said, Bach? Come on. With Ruth Bader Ginsburg? Yes, Bach. And of course, it worked.
Kaplan, who lives on the Upper West Side, met RBG several times over the years, and her daughter, Jane Ginsburg, is a family friend. Jane asked her mom if she would read the lines for the festival, and RBG agreed to do it.
It was just perfect. Begins, I try to teach through my opinions and about how the equality of all people, how all people matter. And I said, my God, this is it. This is exactly what I'm talking about.
I absolutely gasped. My wife heard me and said, what's wrong? And I said, it's nothing wrong. It's exactly what's right. So it was ideal.
Ginsburg's words are accompanied by the music of Johann Sebastian Bach, a solo Baroque flute sonata played by Emmy Ferguson. RBG's is one of a selection of readings and speeches from renowned authors, poets, and politicians in the piece, read by distinguished actors, poets, and lawmakers. The project began before the death in police custody of George Floyd and the death of Congressman and civil rights leader John Lewis. Because of those events, it transformed into more of a social justice piece. As for Ginsburg's death last month, Lewis Kaplan says, like many, he was saddened. He considered her a tremendous inspiration.
She's exactly the same age as me, just a couple of months apart. And that will to work, to continue, to do something, to bring something to the world, inspired me even at my age.
Lewis Kaplan says they're already working on next year's festival and hopes there could be live audiences. For now, he'd like people to go check out Brotherhood, Sisterhood on YouTube for some perspective during these turbulent times. In Manhattan, Roger Clark, New York 1.